Hi, I'm Justin, professional dryer vent cleaner. And in this video, I want to show you some ways you could check if your dryer vent needs a professional cleaning. Number one, this is called the paper test, and it's one of the easiest ways to tell if your dryer vent is clogged. Simply turn on your dryer and be really careful. When you open the door, there's going to be a button that lets the dryer run, and then it's a safety feature that turns off when the door opens. So just hold your finger on that button and then turn it on air only so it doesn't get hot, and then take a piece of paper, any type of paper, just like white printer paper, and then have the dryer running, and then put that piece of paper up to where the lint tray is, and you should be getting a nice snap. The paper should be snapping right there, and it should be very strong. If you're not getting any type of suction when you put the paper there, then it could mean that your dryer vent is clogged. Also, you could do this if your lint tray is on the top. It's a little bit easier. Just take the lint tray out and then hold the paper there on the top of the dryer, and it should be snapping in, trying to get sucked through that duct. Now, if you are getting good airflow and the paper is snapping, but your dryer is still not working well, this could mean that there's other problems. So number one is it could be disconnected from the wall, so all the lint and dust could be just blowing behind the dryer. I see this a lot of times when there's like a countertop or like built-in cabinets around the dryer and you can't see behind there after you attach it. Also, if there's a disconnection in the attic, so a lot of times in the attic the vents will start to deteriorate due to the humidity and the heat. So it can be disconnected and all the dust and lint could be blowing into the hot attic, and then this will cause your clothes not to dry as well as they should. So the paper test isn't a sure thing, but it just lets you know if there's airflow or not. Another thing you could do to see if your dryer is clogged is check the outside temperature of the dryer. So when the dryer is running, the outside temperature should be under 100 degrees, about like 80 to 90 degrees. If it's really hot to the touch, or if you have a temperature reader and you're getting like 100 or it's hotter than that, or if it's so hot that you could crack an egg and fry an egg on it, then your vent is probably clogged. Another thing you could do is actually go out to the exit of the vent. So this will either be on the side of the house, which is easier because you don't have to climb on the roof, or it could be on the roof. If it is on the roof, please hire a professional, someone trained to go on roofs, because it could be dangerous. And then go up there, and then if you have a airflow meter, you could hold it next to it, see if you're getting airflow. But if not, you could just put your hand there and it should be blowing pretty hard. If it's not blowing hard or not blowing at all, then you need to have your vent checked. Also, it could be caused by the inside of the dryer being clogged. So check this video out over here to learn how to clean the inside of your dryer.